How do you stabilize the video in Inshot? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to stabilize the video in Inshot. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to Inshot application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this video section, and you can either simply create a new one. Since I have already created a video, I'll just click on any one of my draft video over here. So to simply stabilize the video, just tap on that particular video or the section of that video and just scroll the right ways through over here. On the screen you can see the speed option, just select it. So once you select it, you can see the curve section, just tap on this. So basically you can readjust your position of your video just like this, and that is exactly how you can easily stabilize the video in Inshot. So once you're satisfied, you can simply start the video and simply start playing the video, and you can also export the video if you like. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.